Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your time zone, and welcome to our daily news recap. I'm your charismatic host, and I'm thrilled to be here, bringing you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Let's dive right in, shall we? We start with some great news. Tether, the leading stablecoin issuer, has scrapped its plan to freeze USDT on 5 blockchains, including Omni, Bitcoin Cash SLP, Kusama, EOS, and Algorand. This is music to the ears of users who depend on these blockchains for stablecoin transactions. No more limited USDT, folks. You can now breathe a sigh of relief. Moving on to the big story, Bitcoin is on the rise, nearing the $100,000 mark as investors seek safe haven assets due to growing concerns about the US trade deficit and economic woes in China. The widening trade gap has led to a re-evaluation of risk portfolios, and Bitcoin is seen as a valuable hedge against macroeconomic uncertainty. But here's a twist. Historically, Bitcoin's price tends to drop in September. This Red September phenomenon has been observed since 2013, with an average decrease of 3.77% each September. Traders are preparing for a potential seasonal sell-off, which could impact the market. On a lighter note, let's take a look at blockchain bytes. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the world's first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was originally intended to be an open source implementation of the gold standard, with each unit of currency represented by a certain amount of gold? Talk about a solid foundation. Now let's explore the world of Bitcoin whales. One significant whale has made a massive move, selling $216 million worth of Bitcoin to purchase Ethereum. This transaction highlights the evolving strategies of large cryptocurrency holders who are increasingly diversifying their portfolios and exploring alternative assets like Ethereum. The US Securities and Exchange Commission is dealing with a surge in applications for cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, ETFs, with over 90 products currently pending approval, led by XRP and Solana. The approval process is expected to be complex and time-consuming, with the SEC evaluating the suitability of each ETF product. As the crypto industry continues to grow, one essential aspect often overlooked is access to traditional banking services. Crypto companies require banking services to pay employees, store money safely, access liquidity when needed, and conduct daily business operations. It's time to recognize that crypto companies need banks, just like traditional companies. However, the crypto space is not without its challenges. In April, a total of $161 million was lost to crypto crimes, with private key exploits, flash loan attacks, and smart contract exploits accounting for a significant portion of these losses. Experts are warning about the rise of supply chain attacks, private key exploits, flash loan attacks, and smart contract exploits, highlighting the need for users to secure their private keys and be cautious when interacting with online platforms. North Korean hackers have developed a sophisticated money laundering scheme using cloud services to launder stolen cryptocurrency. This scheme involves using stolen crypto to mine more cryptocurrency via cloud services and then turning it into untainted coins, making it difficult to track its origin. Oracle manipulation has become a major concern in the DeFi ecosystem, with hackers exploiting vulnerabilities in oracles to manipulate data and deceive investors. The increasing popularity of Oracle manipulation has led to a significant decline in total value, locked TVL, for Oracle providers, with Chainlink losing $48 billion in TVL in 2022. The financial industry is rapidly adopting blockchain technology, transforming the way assets are managed and traded. Tokenization has become the operating model for asset managers, banks, and firms handling treasuries, securities, commodities, and IP, with circulating value reaching nearly $250 billion. Tokenized treasuries have grown to $5.6 billion in assets under management AUM, a five-fold increase from the previous year. Finally, let's take a look at some of the top Web3 companies to watch, with startups dominating 41% of total venture capital funding in 2025, totaling $81.3 billion. The summer market has been active, with AI-powered solutions and emerging technologies leading the way. Thank you for tuning in, folks. I hope you enjoyed our daily news recap. Remember to stay safe in the decentralized finance ecosystem and blockchain world. Don't forget to follow us for more exciting updates, and until next time, stay crypto. Remember, in the words of Warren Buffett, price is what you pay, value is what you get. Keep that in mind as you navigate the world of cryptocurrency, and always keep an eye on your private keys.